Kasi di ba sabi mo, this year mo lang natutunan how to say no. So, ano yung punto sa life mo at ano yung epekto nun sa'yo na finally nasabi mo, hindi, ayoko na ng yes ako ng yes.
Because I love my job. And it came to a point that I didn't want to do it anymore. That I was so tired and drained and uninspired anymore na parang ayoko na lang. Na kung ano na lang yung gusto nyo, yun na lang yung gagawin ko. Parang sandali lang. Like, or mga decisions. May decision na ako pero babaguhin yung mind ko. I'm supposed to feel inspired and passionate and I'm supposed to come home feeling happy.
At buo.
At buo. But how come I don't feel any of those things? Then maybe I'm doing something wrong. Tapos na-realize ko kasi na I also allowed them or allowed people to take charge of my decisions, to take charge of how I see things, how I do things, how I think. Like, I allowed it to happen. So, hindi ko pwedeng isisi lahat yun Kasi, pinayagan mo hinayaan mo. Pero nasa iyo rin yung decision kung kailan mo babaguhin yun. So, nung December, nagkaroon na ako ng awakening. Sabi ko, hindi na ako inspired. I have to change things. So, sabi ko, etong new year, I'm gonna do things my way. And, mayan mo since then, I feel so happy every time I go home from work because I know ito yung gusto kong gawin. Mahal ko na ulit yung ginagawa ko. In love na naman ako ulit sa craft ko kasi natuto na akong mag-take charge. Diba?
I'm not sure if maalala mo yung sinabi ko dun sa podcast mo na si Tito Boy.
Yes, I remember that.
Sinabi ni Tito Boy, nobody can tell who you are as a person except for yourself and for your God. Wala talaga sa kanila yung power.
Wala.
Nasa sayo.
Binibigyan mo sila ng power.
Yes. Yes. At kung hindi mo gagawin yun, wala silang power.
Wala silang power, wala silang bearing, hindi ka matatamaan. So, hawak mo talaga.